Smile and learn.
Have you ever felt like there are times when we all need a break? Maybe after a long day or just when things are a bit overwhelming?
Yeah, there are definitely times when things aren't as easy as we want them to be. But there are a few tricks to help us feel better, aren't there?
Yeah, you're getting it, Smiley. These tricks are called coping mechanisms. And they're things we can do to help ourselves feel better when we're going through a rough time. It's like a toolbox that we can open whenever we need to. Today we're going to learn more tools we can use. Hobbies and interests. Healthy sleep habits. Healthy eating. Gratitude and humor. Let's discover them. Hobbies and interests. Simply spending time on things we enjoy, like our hobbies and interests, help us to unwind and relax. It's a great break for your mind. I'm sure you have things that put you in a good mood and that you enjoy. I love to read. Healthy sleep habits. Getting a good night's sleep every night is super important, so we must have healthy sleep habits. This means getting at least 8 hours of sleep every night. When we get enough rest, we feel better. We can concentrate well in class, and we have more energy. I'm sure you've probably gotten less sleep before and noticed the difference. Eating right. Having a healthy diet is key to feeling good both inside and out. Eating healthy foods gives us the energy we need and helps our mind stay strong and happy. That looks great. Practicing gratitude. Sometimes it's easy to focus only on the negative. But taking a moment to think about the good things we have can make a big difference. Try writing them down or expressing gratitude to others directly. By the way, thanks for sticking around and learning with me. Humor. Last but not least, you have to laugh. Humor can be a great help, even in the most difficult moments. Something funny can relieve the stress we feel and help us to see the situation with different eyes. Laughter is the best medicine. So, does that mean that comedians are like our doctors? Now you know some coping mechanisms you can use whenever you want. Come back to these videos whenever you need. See you soon! We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.